Hello watcher and subscribers, you can say this tutorial is in the continuation of the previous tutorial, because in the previous tutorial we have seen various concepts related with the exceptional handling. So we are going one step ahead, and here we will see a program which is related with the file operation in the exceptional handling, because whenever you do the file operation, sometimes that file is not exist in your particular location where you specify. So in such a case, what happen, your program will not work properly. So whenever you use a file handling or open any file, you have to go with the proper exceptional handling. So related to file handling, we will see the program here. So here I'm going to type the code. Before that, I will just here go to the path. Here you see in the app drive there is a folder, and inside it file not found exception folder I have created. Here this is the file. Actually I am going to put code here, and this is the text file. I have given the name because this file I would like to open. Okay, means this file you can say I would like to access. So the name is file and it is a txt file. You can see here it is a text document. So what I'm doing exactly, this is my coding file and this is the text file which I would like to access. So I'm saving in the same folder so that I can easily access. Now here in the blank screen of Python editor, I am going to type the code. So straight away I will take a try block, and suspicious statement I will write here f equal to open. And here actually you have to specify the path. I am writing here file dot txt. Then you have to first you specify file name with extension. Txt is an extension. So as I told you, this file and this file having a same path. So that the reason without specifying C read drive you can directly write. And then we have to write here R, it is for reading operation. And then I will add here except for handling the error, as you are already familiar with that. And this error is nothing but input output error as E. And then I am writing here within a print. I am passing this object so that it will directly show the message. I don't need to type any message. And as usual, then I will take a else block. You already familiar with that. And in the else block I will write statement and then f dot close. So this is the sample code. Here the important thing is that we are opening the file and we are handling this through this class, and then we are using as usual else block. We are already familiar with that. We will do testing of code. You see file open successfully because that file already present there. But if I use different name like that, I know this file is not there, so it will create a runtime error, and that is followed by, that is handled by except block. You see that is handling by except block. No such file or directory is found. Along with that, in case if you save this file in D drive or E drive, then in that case you can write a path like that. You see, once I use this, it is showing the other folder that is present in the D drive. So what I am telling here, in D drive this file is present, then you can specify manually if this code location is different. Okay, or even if it is same also, then also you can specify the path. But as a in general rule or as a smart programmer, you have to save this source code and the file in a same path, so that your effort will save, confusion will save, and time will also save. So I hope, dear student, you understood this. And the main use of this code is, if suppose the file is not exist, your program will not be terminated, it will run fully. It will show the message to the user so that the user will not do the mistake. So this is the exceptional handling program related to the file handling. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.